Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to create a cost center in SAP. So to create a cost center, go to transaction code case01, then press enter. Enter your cost center code here, then the valid from date, valid up to date here, then press enter. Enter the description here. I am creating this cost center for the finance department. Enter person responsible here. Then the cost element category here, finance, select hierarchy here, currency, INR, then enter profit center here, then go to control tab. You can see here the lock indicators. This cost center is already logged for the actual revenues and planned revenues, posting, and the commitment update. If you want to allow from any of these, you can select it from here. Then click on save here. Now we can see this cost center is created. You can also change or display this cost center using transaction code case02 or case03. So here you can click on cost center, go to change, press enter. Whatever the field you see in editable mode, you can edit here. Then go to display here. Then check the cost center hierarchy. Go to transaction code case